Why wayang? Because wayang is like in Java we have concept mulih pulih. Mulih mean come back to the root, our culture. Pulih mean getting healthy. I'm Miko Jatmiko from Wayang Merdeka community.
I'm Arahmaiani. I'm an artist.
I'm Milosh Luczynski, multi-disciplinary artist based in Paris.
The title of our work is Temple of Love. We are focusing on the issue of environment. Somehow lots of people don't really care about it anymore because in this global system we are all connected one to another. We need to have this kind of understanding so we can live peacefully and happily together.
The symbol is you see like a thief, right? With the and he's eat all the gold trees and eat all from the jungle of Indonesia. And then now the effect is like this.
We have different backgrounds, we come from different places. We realize our artwork in Singapore, but unity, diversity, it's exactly what we tried to manage working together in this project. It's something which brings wonderful things. To reimagine art is to heal through freedom.
To reimagine art is to protect and save this planet.
Reimagine art to Bhinneka Tunggal Ika.